Well, I missed half the road because the SD card wasn't popped in all the way. Holy smokes. We are on Highway 68 over here in Tennessee, cutting up from Dayton, Tennessee to on our way to Crossville, Tennessee. Pick ourselves up a load that goes to Carrollton, Texas. You guys don't know where that's at, might as well say Dallas suburbs. This would be a good road for the head cam video. But anyway, it's a fun little drive. I love roads like this. Till you meet one of those guys right there. And anyway, I like roads like this right here, especially on a bike, you know. Actually, this is not a good road for the bike because y'all see how that asphalt back there was broken and dipped out. But I love back roads. Beautiful view up here. Beautiful day. We're riding around a dirty truck. I should have washed it this weekend at home, but Saturday was like 55 degrees and rainy. Sunday was a fairly decent day, but we had a really nice church service at church this past Sunday and a luncheon afterwards. Then you go home and take a nap. After that, you know, your day's pretty well gone. Just wasn't in the mood to wash the truck on Sunday. So here we are with the dirty truck. They've done a lot of work on this road. It used to be a lot worse than it is. That lower half back there was a whole lot better than it used to be, and it's a lot wider than it used to be. I remember coming down through here years ago. Of course, back then we didn't have the trucks we have today. You'd be going down this mountain, you know, 15 miles an hour, 20 miles an hour, trying to hold her back. Nowadays, like with this truck here, man, you just let her roll at 40, 45, she's going to hold back. Little Piney River. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed that little climb up the hill there. We're going to go over here to Crossville and pick up our heavy load of tile, showing to be 40,480 pounds. Hopefully it's not a typo. Usually all the loads I see coming here are 44,000. So hopefully they put that zero in there at 40,480 is correct, and it wasn't supposed to be 44,800, you know. So we will find out when we get over here. And anyway, it'll be our first load with this new broker, and we'll tell you all about that new broker after a while. It is a secret. See ya. One of those T-Doc trucks on my back door, man. It's like, come on, dude. There's some room to work here, you know? Crazy. Looks like he's in some kind of hurry. Oh, wait a minute. That's not the T-Dot truck. It's just a regular Ford pickup truck. There was a T-Dot truck on the side of the road while ago, and I thought it caught up to me. We're not trying to break any speed records through here. We are doing between 40 and 50. 40 in the curves, 50 to 60 on the straights. Come on around me, you Ford truck, dude. Come on. Go straightaway here. I guess he's not going to do it. Despicable. He keeps looking. He had a chance to do it. You know, I don't like tailgaters, man. We are currently speeding. He just needs to go on, so that's all I got to say about that. Well, hello from Texas. So yeah, it is a beautiful day over here in Texas. 73 degrees, 11:45 in the morning. And we are doing our first Uber run. So is that the right, instead of word, anyway, which would be even better, right? I was at home Monday pounding the board, trying to find decent freight, and got the rates up on going to Texas, and then I thought, well, I'll pull up the Uber app just to see what's going on. And lo and behold, there was a load going to Carrollton, Texas, for $300 more than I had successfully negotiated with one of my regular brokers out of the house there. It was about 60 mile further deadhead than my load I was originally going to take. Just did not commit to it yet. I was going to let them sweat it out until Tuesday morning, then call and grab it. But anyway, so we seen the Uber load on the app, and we snatched it, and it was very impressive, man. You see the load there, and you see the rate. You just touch the button on the app and book the load, and before my finger was off the button for booking the load, I had the rate confirmation in my email box, and yeah, and so that was nothing to it, and printed it out and signed it, but I wasn't really sure where to send it back to, so I emailed it back to the billing place, which I think was wrong. I think they forwarded it to where it needed to go. But anyway, so I went and got the load, picked it up, and it was easy as it could be. And after I got the load, I finally figured out how to call somebody, gave them the load number, and I said, I just want to talk to somebody. And that guy, he kind of laughed, you know, and because the app tracks you. That'll blow the comment section up. Oh, tracking, yeah, blah, blah, blah. That, man, about everybody tracks you most of these days. But anyway, the app has a tracking function. You can accept it or not accept it. So they knew I was there to pick it up. They knew I was on my way to get it. Blah, blah. I think actually on the app I touched it to let it know I was en route to get it. And then you when I arrived, and then you when I left, but I called him anyway. But anyway, the delivery side is set for 8 o'clock in the morning. Going over here to a little tile company I Google mapped it and looked at it. Looks like they got 5 or 6 dock doors, you know. But I called the office and the lady said, oh yeah, we're fully booked for the day. You're scheduled for 8 a.m. I said, yes ma'am, I just thought I'd check. She's like, yeah, those guys, we could ask them, but they're pretty well booked up. I said, okay, no worries. So I went to the TA there in Rockwall. I hung out there about 2 hours. I got me a nice hot shower, ate some lunch, and I thought I'd take a nap. Just couldn't do it. So I'm like, well, you know what? I mean, I'm only 30 miles away. I'm gonna go over and check it out. You know, they go home at 5. I'll be there about 12:15, 12:20. Yeah, they can work me in. It'll be fantastic. If not, if they get all mad about it, well, okay, no worries, man. I'll park over here out of the way, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. You know, bring me a chicken biscuit for breakfast. So, I mean, because I could never get past the pit bull in the office. So I thought, well, I'll go over here and talk to the guys on the dock. They might be in a better mood than she is. And see if they don't unload me today, you know. And anyway, so the worst thing happened is they say no, right? We ain't lost anything. So anyway, so if they do unload it, I got a load that picks up tomorrow. One of my regular runs I do quite often out of Texas back to Tennessee. And they might very well load it today as well, because it's empty bottles. If they've got them sitting there, because they ship to that outfit on a daily basis up there to Tennessee. So I might be able to load it today, man. If I load it today, I'll be able to get unloaded early Friday morning, and then go get the truck serviced and the truck washed there in Knoxville Friday after I get unloaded, instead of doing it Friday afternoon. So yeah, and it'll work out good. And then again, we might reload out of Knoxville area on Friday, going somewhere exotic like California. You can't ever tell about me. I'm not wanting to go home. This working Tuesday through Friday is getting really old. I really want to work, you know. But here lately, it's been a Tuesday through Friday gig, man. I'm sick of it. But anyway, I went to fire my driver. He doesn't want to work. He's a lazy butt. So anyway, so there's that. There's the update on the Uber load. I didn't get much detail about the Uber. Maybe later. Maybe on the next one. Who knows? You gotta be careful. Well, there you go. Uber load is delivered. Piece of cake, man. I got here and he realized, oh, nope, you're for tomorrow. Park out there in the lot. It wasn't probably, because he was waiting on another truck to get here, you know, but it probably wasn't 20 minutes had gone by. He said, put it in door 3. Okay. So 20 minutes later, we were unloaded. So, how you like that? We are way ahead of schedule. So now we're going to try to go pick up our next load, which picks up tomorrow. I'm going to try to pick that up today, see what happens. It may not be ready because it's a whole load of empty bottles that they may not have produced them yet. But we're going to give it a shot. You know? I think I should have went right there. I'm just too courteous. But anyway, so yeah, the Uber app worked fantastic. And you arrived here and it said, you get a little tab, push if you are unloaded yet. So once I got unloaded, I pushed the I'm unloaded button. And it said upload documents. So it wanted access to the camera, so I gave it access to the camera and took the pictures and uploaded the bill 80. So we'll see how fast they pay me now. I love it, man. Absolutely love it. Easiest stinking load I think there is. So I will do more more Uber freight. That was so easy. It was crazy. Alright, so we are out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Did not show you the load, and but it'll be alright. See ya.